Welcome to Manka Digital Academic. On this video, I'll be showing you how to convert a publisher document to PDF document. There are two methods I'm going to show you. The first method is where you work on your publisher document by yourself and you have to save it in a PDF form. And the second, if a publisher document is sent to you and you have to convert it to PDF. Here we start with the first method. You come to the title bar on this blue icon, you click there, you move up to all. If you can see my cursor, I'm working, you go to all, you scroll down, you come to publisher, you scroll right down, you get to publisher. So when you get to publisher, you click on publisher, it will take you to the publisher workspace. I already have a document, so I'm clicking on it. While you might be working on your document, you work on your document and you have to do whatever you have to do on it. Then you come to view. You come to view, you take sketch area for your document to be clean and you see exactly what you were doing. For me, I was working on a flyer, a conference flyer. So this is it. Now, after working on this, you have to save the document. You come to File, you come down to Save As and not Save. Save As. You take Save, you have OneDrive, you have this PC, and you have Add a Place. But where we are going to is Browser. You click on Browser. Then when you get to Browser, you save your document, whatever you want to save it. I'm saving my document as doc.i. And after saving, you come to save as type. You click on this rundown menu, you come down and see how you can save your document as a type. So you could save it as a publisher file, as a publisher template, as a PDF, as an image, as words. This is it, all you find them here if you want to save. So I'm saving my document as PDF, and this is PDF. I will now come down to save. I first of all go to my desktop. I try to save in the folder where I want this PDF to be located, and I want it to be in Manka Digital Academy. I will open the folder. It's now in the folder and I take save. After saving, this is my PDF document. This document cannot be changed or tampered with. So we take save, we close the document, and if we come to Manka Digital Academy, we open, we realize that we find my doc.i here. This is my doc.i and it is in PDF. PDF documents are presented like this. When you open, you find it like that. So I hope this first method will obviously help you. So we are going now to the second method of converting our PDF document to our publisher document to PDF. So this is in a case where they send you a publisher document, or you work on your document and you save it as publisher file. So we have to convert it to a PDF. We follow the same procedure. Go to publisher, you open your document. When you're into your document, you do whatever you have to do. You trim, sketch the area to have a trim area of my flyer, because I'm working with a flyer. I'm working with this flyer. So this is it, and I go back to file. I take file, and okay, I'm going to click on file. Then when I click on file, I will go down on the rundown menu. I take save as, the same, but right now I'm no more going to public browser, but I'm going to choose where I want my document to be saved. So I'm trying to look for where I want my document to be saved, so I'll be choosing my desktop. you choose your document. I go in and I choose my folder. I'm still choosing Manka Digital Academy. I open and I save. It's under, you change the, you put the name you want. If you can realize, you see save as type is still in PDF, is still in publish file. So we are saving our document in publisher file. So write the name. I'm taking doc in publisher. So I take save. So I will go now on my title bar. On the search bar, I click there, I write Chrome, and this Chrome is for it to take me to Google Chrome. So when I write my my Chrome, I will wait for it to load. So when I get to the search menu, I will type publisher to PDF converter. So I will click on the converter. If when you click there, publisher to PDF converter, you click in and it will take you to where you have to convert your file. So here, this is the space where you can easily convert your publisher to PDF. So below now, you come to, this is a converter, convert. So you go, you select file, you come, you click where your file is safe, your publisher file is safe. You get in and you click on the file, you take open. When you take open, you come and click on convert. And when you click on convert, the document will load on its own. It will run and it will load. Then we can now download the document and save it wherever we want to save it. And that is how we get our doc in publisher PDF file. I hope my video will help you, and I know it has helped you. Please don't forget to click on the notification button in case I have any nice video or educative content for you. It will indicate to you, and comment in case you need anything about the digital world you feel as learning, and I will make a video for you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like our videos. Thank you.